Embark on a culinary journey to Minas Gerais with this extended Feijio Tropeiro recipe. A robust and flavorful dish that embodies the spirit of Brazilian cuisine. Feijao Tropeiro, or tropeiro beans, is a traditional dish that combines a variety of textures and flavors, making it a beloved staple across Brazil. Ingredients: 2 cups of beans pinto, black, or carioca, soaked overnight, 1/2 pound of smoked sausage, diced, 1/2 pound of bacon, diced, 2 cups of collard greens, finely chopped, 1 large onion, diced, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 cups of cassava flour, farinha de mandioca, 4 eggs, salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro, chopped for garnish, lime wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. Cook the beans. Drain the soaked beans, and cook them in fresh water until tender, but not falling apart. Drain and set aside. 2. Prepare the meats. In a large skillet, cook the diced bacon and sausage over medium heat until crispy. Remove the meats from the skillet, leaving the rendered fat behind. 3. Saute the vegetables. In the same skillet, add the diced onion and minced garlic to the rendered fat. Cook until the onion is translucent. Add the chopped collard greens and saute until they are wilted and bright green. 4. Combine the ingredients. Return the cooked meats to the skillet with the vegetables. Add the cooked beans and mix well. Gradually sprinkle the cassava flour over the mixture, stirring continuously until the flour is fully incorporated and toasted. 5. Add the eggs. Make small wells in the mixture and crack an egg into each. Let the eggs set for a moment before scrambling them into the rest of the dish. 6. Season and garnish. Season the Feijao Tropeiro with salt and black pepper to taste. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro just before serving. 7. Serve. Serve the Feijao Tropeiro hot, accompanied by lime wedges. The lime's acidity adds a refreshing contrast to the dish's richness. Serving suggestions: Feijao Tropeiro is often served as a main dish, perfect for a hearty lunch or dinner. It pairs well with rice and a simple salad, making for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy the extended Brazilian Feijao Tropeiro recipe, a celebration of flavors and textures that showcases the diversity of Brazilian cuisine. This dish is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a hearty meal that brings people together.